In today's short analysis video, we will discuss on Honeywell International stock. My dear friends, this stock has broken out from an important resistance level, and along with that there are multiple positive factors which has already been triggered, and it would allow us to capitalize an opportunity to buy this stock before an upside rally gets start. Dear friends, if we'll make a closer look, this was on top where the stock had given a price-wise correction in the form of downward sloping parallel channel. And as long as the stock was trading under this downward sloping parallel channel, the stock got triggered with price-wise correction, and there was a back-to-back lower lows. If you'll see over here, the first lower lows trigger here, the second lower lows here, and the third one here. But as soon as this downward sloping parallel channel got trigger on the upper side, first time its lower lows sequence shifted to higher highs, and whenever the lower lows get shifted to higher highs, we take that area as a confirmation that stock has completed the correction and it's ready for an upside trigger. And now, my dear friends, we will see here we got a two major positive signal. The first one is downward sloping parallel channel got broken out on the upper side. The second positive signal is lower lows shifted to higher highs. And now we will see the most important, the positive signal that will be in diversion. If you place an MACD indicators, you will be able to see there is a positive diversion. Price action is tilting on the downside. MACD histogram is tilting on the upper side, and this is an area where we got in breakout. And finally, the most important, and that will be in chart pattern. If you'll see over here, you will be able to see there is a chart pattern breakout, and that will be a rounding bottom. We call it as a rounding bottom breakout. We already got in breakout since the stock had given the closing above both the neckline, and now very soon you will witness the price will be reaching to a target of $240. This will be the first target, and the second target will be $245. So this will be a two upside, the massive upside target, and there is a gap over here, so it will act as a resistance. So there are few resistance here before reaching to target, and this area of resistance will act as an will act as a rejection. The stock may face a rejection, and it may come down to retest the neckline. It may go up to the second resistance, and it may come down to the to retest the neckline. And once after completing the retracement, and sometimes there is a possibility that stock give a deep retracement, and once it's finished, it will then eventually start to reaching to the target. So you have to keep your mindset ready to face and volatility. And finally, my dear friends, this area of neckline will act as a strong support because multiple positive factors got broken out over here. This was an area where we have seen the downward sloping parallel channel get break on the upper side. The lower lows shifted to higher highs, and then we have seen the positive diversion between the MACD histogram and the price action. And now there is a positive chart pattern breakout, and that is a rounding bottom pattern. So with due respect to all the positive breakouts, this area of neckline so far was in resistance, but now it will act as a strong support, and your stop loss should be below this strong support so that it won't get triggered so easily. This is it for today's analysis, my dear friends. If you really love my progress, if you really love my hard work, then subscribe to my channel to make such powerful content for you. Thank you. Bye bye.